Durga Puja doesn't look perfect without a red outfit. So now Ananya is ready in a beautiful sari. How gorgeous!
Lal pari, neel pari.
Yeah, we are all ready.
अनन्या नहीं होती तो क्या होता?
वही Kurumjari, namaste, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So Durga Puja is going on, and in Coimbatore I got an invitation from Bengali Association to join the Durga Puja. So this is the outfit. Durga Puja doesn't look perfect without a red outfit. So I'm wearing a red sari with a combination of white bangles and obviously a small bindi, and the wind, let it be, I'm happy. So that's it, I'm on my way to pick up my friend and we will be going. इस तरफ करते हैं background, आ जाओ इधर. So now Ananya is ready in a beautiful sari. How gorgeous!
Lal pari, neel pari.
Yeah. We are all ready. We are waiting for our auto. Please show the earring. So teachers are also now in full glam mode today. हाँ समझ.
ওগুলো সব বলে দিয়েছে, কাকিমা দিয়ে দিবে, সব ব্যবস্থা করে দেবে।
দেখাবেন आप कितना दिखाएगा
আগে
খাবারটা আগে ভিডিও করছি করে সবাইকে দেখাবো বলে বলে দিও ঠিক আছে কি বললাম যেমন
শোনা দিয়ে কেন ভাবছি একটা করে তাই জিজ্ঞেস করে थोड़ा सा थोड़ा बस 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 बस
मैं डाको तो मैं नहीं में दिया जन है
अनन्या नहीं होती तो क्या होता
वही
You drop me there. That's the building actually. That's the building. Just this left one. This left one will directly go to.
bye bye.
Bye bye.
At this part my microphone was not working, but I am telling how good the puja and the food was. So guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, take care and bye.